Alright, so we've got our corner cabinet in, we've got our oven cabinet here. You can see that the electrician's put a nice big hole in the actual wall there. The oven cabinet itself doesn't have a back on it, so that can literally go straight over the face there. And what we can do afterwards is we can just cut a little bit of chip rock to put inside there to cover that up. So you see that it goes together, something similar to a jigsaw. Just basically cupboards going next to each other. Then what we do is we just level them up a little bit, make sure that they're nice and square and plumb, screw them together before we do our final leveling off. What we're doing now is winding up the legs, just so that the cabinets finish flush with each other, both in height and also in width. So all we're doing here is just clamping the cabinets together, getting them nice and flush, and simply just screwing them off. Generally speaking, you're only going to need 4 screws per cabinet, and you're going to be using about a 28mm screw. You will notice with this kitchen here that it does look like it's damaged, but it's not. This is actually just the protective coating that goes over the gloss laminate, the gloss coloured laminates, and all we do is once we've finished is we'll be peeling that off to reveal a perfect finish underneath.